Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use multiple users on your Google Pixel. This feature is incredibly useful if you share your phone with family members or want to keep work and personal profiles completely separate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up your settings. This is your main hub for customizing how your Pixel operates and managing all the important features on your device. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled System and tap on it. This section contains more advanced settings related to how your phone operates at a fundamental level, including user management and device preferences. Next, you'll see an option called Users. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you can create and manage multiple user profiles on your Pixel, each with its own apps, settings, and data. Now, before you can add new users, you need to make sure the toggle button next to Allow User Switch is turned on. This permission is essential because it enables the ability to switch between different user profiles on your device. If it's already on, you're good to go. If not, simply tap the toggle to enable it. With that setting active, tap on Add User. This will begin the process of creating a brand new user profile on your phone. Each user will have their own separate space with independent app data and personalized settings. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Tap Next to continue with the user creation process. This ensures you're ready to set up the new profile and understand that it will be a completely separate account. Now, input a username for the new profile. This could be a family member's name, a work profile label, or anything that helps you identify who the profile belongs to. Once you've entered the name, tap Done to save it. After that, you'll see an option to switch to the newly created user profile. Tap Switch to Username, where username is whatever name you just entered. Then tap Setup Now to begin configuring the new user's account. This will walk the new user through the initial setup process, including signing into their own Google account and customizing their preferences. After that, wait until the setup is done. This might take a moment as the system prepares the new user environment and loads all the necessary settings and apps for them. And that's it. You've successfully added and set up multiple users on your Google Pixel, giving each person their own private and personalized experience on the device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.